Good evening, everybody. Mark in the home weather office on this Sunday evening. Hope you've had a great weekend. Time to get prepared for the week ahead. And so, this Sunday evening edition is to provide you some information to know what's coming our way weather-wise this week. And there are two main words that we're going to be looking at this week. One is unsettled. If you take today's weather, the scattered showers, thunderstorms, hail, that sort of thing, we're going to see more of that the next couple of days. The other word for this week is uncertain. As in, we are really uncertain as to what is going to happen on Friday and at the end of this week. The models have varied greatly in what it is we might expect, an atmospheric river type of system perhaps. We'll see how that goes over the next couple of days. I'll show you the latest thinking. So without further ado, let's get right to the models and show you what we can expect. This is the latest HRRR model, and what I'm going to show you here is what we can expect as we go into the day tomorrow. This is tomorrow morning. This is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Scattered showers in the area, a little bit of snow in the Sierra. Now, even though we're not going to see a lot of snow in the Sierra the next couple of days, I'd be surprised if we see chain controls lifted on 80, 50, or 88. And last time I checked, 80 was still closed. We may get an opening on 80 sometime the next day or so, but I don't think we're going to see chain controls lifted because these occasional showers, they're going to be showers in the valley, snow in the Sierra, will provide a half an inch here, an inch there. It's not as if we're going to see snow coming down at 2 inches an hour like we saw for a while this weekend, but we will continue to see enough snow to make the road slippery. So if you do need to get to Reno this week, I can't find a window where we're going to have a period with no chain controls, at least not for a while. And for the lower elevations, it's going to be just a lot like today. See these little scattered, discrete little cells here? That's a lot like what we saw today. And with the cold air around, that means more hail, more graupel, more snow. And as a matter of fact, I want to show you a video from that I shot earlier today. And this is from the town of Sutter Creek. So this is downtown Sutter Creek, and you can hear it. That's a mixture of rain, snow, and hail that you see piling up on the hood of this car right here. And I think we're going to see more of that over the next couple of afternoons. And I've seen a lot of posts from many of you, places like Riverbank, that had hail this afternoon. That's what these discrete little cells are as we head into Monday. And then we'd see it again on Tuesday, although I do think Tuesday is going to be somewhat more stable. As you can see, there's still some rain and snow coming through here. So that's on the HRRR model. I'm going to pick it up with the NAM so we can go a little bit farther out in time. This is during the day tomorrow. This is the day on Tuesday. Wednesday, another line of rain comes through, a little bit of snow, and that's why I think that while the valley may only see a quarter of an inch of rain over the next couple of days, I just don't see the snow stopping enough that we'll have chain controls lifted. Like I said, this is Wednesday through the middle part of the day. Maybe Thursday will be a somewhat better day. So this is the latest North American model. And what you can see out here is the leading edge of what right now looks as though it may be our next area of rain. This is Thursday morning, but Thursday right now is looking like a pretty good day. Let me show you what the HRRR, I should say the GFS, is showing. This is also Thursday morning, and this is from the 18Z run, so the middle part of the day today run, and this is Thursday night. This is Thursday night around midnight. Widespread rain, atmospheric river coming our way, bringing us solid rain. This is midday on Friday. This is Friday afternoon, this is Friday evening, this is Friday night, and then this is Saturday morning with that area clearing out. This would provide about an inch of rain, inch and a quarter of rain to the valley. This would provide really big snow once again to elevations higher, up around 5,000 feet, 6,000 feet, something like that. You can see the snow in the mountains, but this would be another big snow producer. However, the models have only just started recently coming around to this. So let me show you what that same model looked like yesterday. Yeah, that's Friday. That's Friday and Saturday from the model from yesterday morning. And the last few days, that same model looked the same. Now, we're going to have to see what the next few model runs look like, but right now we do have to consider that Friday could be a very wet day and perhaps a very snowy day, but the snow levels would rise because the warmer air would come in with this. And like I said, we could see the snow level maybe up around 2,500, not 25, more like 5,000 or 6,000 feet instead of 2,000 or 2,500 feet where we've been seeing it lately, and occasionally even lower than that. So that is the uncertainty that I talked about. So we have the instability that we will have over the next couple of days, and then the uncertainty that we'll have for the end of the week with the forecast for Friday. and Saturday. So that's going to be our job this week, to give you an idea of what's going to happen on Friday. But like I said, right now, Friday is far from certain, and it's really it's frustrating for us as forecasters to go between no rain and a lot of rain. That is not the kind of uncertainty that you want in a forecast that is 5 days out. So over the next couple of days, that's what we will be nailing down. I'll have another update for you right here, first thing on Monday morning, and then I'll be back in the office on Monday afternoon. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday evening, and let's make it a great week coming up.